So, my advice to Andrea would be to, well, one thing I noticed is that the daily quiz, the lab, and the new topic, the new vocabulary terms, they all happened in the span of 1 week. And I think possibly that might be too much in a short amount of time. Uh, I'd ask, have you thought of spacing out the work and all the activities over a longer period of time? Because in my experience, well, for example, I'm a wrestling coach. And as a wrestling coach, I don't teach the kids all the moves in one day. I don't teach them the throws, the takedowns, the pinning combinations all at once. In fact, the very first day, all we go over is the stance and possibly hand fighting and getting into position. Very, very simplistic beginner level stuff at the beginning, and only like one move a day. Sometimes we teach the same move over multiple practices to ensure that the student understands what they're doing. So I think it would be beneficial that Andrea slows down and tries to tackle each activity one at a time and really focus and to ensure that the kids are comprehending. And I wonder if Andrea knew for a fact that it was a good idea, that she knew for a fact that all of her students did understand the material. Because they failed, it occurs to me that possibly she didn't ask the students if they were getting it before handing out the quiz. I don't believe it hurts at all to just ask to make sure the classroom everyone understands. Yeah, of course they could be shy and not answer. That's entirely possible. But I believe there are, aside from just asking, perhaps just giving more assignments on the vocabulary words to ensure that the students understand the material before moving on to the quiz, before moving on to the laboratory. I think that would be best. And so maybe if she could try just spending more time on the given work. Even if it seems simple to her, people learn at different paces. I mean, I'm a very everyone is a different student. I'd say I'm pretty proficient at English. I can write essays pretty easily, but I cannot do the simplest math equations. Math is lost on me. I mean, I know 2 plus 2 equals 4, but other than that, I exaggerate, of course. But the point is, maybe she could try just spending more time on the words, ensuring that they actually understand it, giving out homework assignments, asking the students to make sure that they know what she's talking about, then going to the test. And then after some time passes, maybe she does a review of the test. Maybe she spends some time going over the test with the students, and then going on to the laboratory when they can actually put those vocabulary terms to good use. So that would be my advice. I hope that doesn't sound too harsh, but honestly, even if it does, I mean, hard truths cut both ways, but hard truths are necessary sometime. So, yep, and I suppose that's it.